Misizulu.
Yes, as I do so, I retract the statement of both General Mkhwanazi and King Misizulu.
We're giving you 30 seconds to officially apologize. To officially apologize for having casted aspersions on the shoulders of both General Mkhwanazi and King Misizulu of Amazulu.
Yes, I hereby apologize for casting aspersions on the General, Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi and King Misizulu, the Majesty.
Thank you.
So it has now come out in the open and in the clear that when Brown Mogotsi went to the Parliament's ad hoc committee and made claims about Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi and King Misizulu, when he said they are CIA agents, it has now been exposed that it was a lie. It was a lie. So it means Brown Mogotsi is going to face the charges of perjury. Perjury, it is when you knowingly lie under oath. When he appeared before the Madlanga Commission, because this is where he made these false claims about Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi and King Misizulu as being CIA agents. He made those claims under oath. And when he was pressed in that commission about it, he was insistent. He was insistent on this claim that Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, the KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner, and King Misizulu are CIA agents. But now as he goes to Parliament, before the Parliament's ad hoc committee, which is probing the same allegations that the Madlanga Commission is probing, he's then taken to task. He's taken to task about his claims of Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi and King Misizulu being CIA agents. He has then gone on now to withdraw those allegations and has tendered an apology for lying about Mkhwanazi and Misizulu. So Brown Mogotsi faces two things here. He faces the charge of perjury, as I've already said, that he lied under oath when appeared before the Madlanga Commission, where he initially made these claims. So that's charge number one. Charge number two that he is now facing, that is likely to follow, it is that Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi and King Misizulu are likely to seek legal recourse and damages for reputational damage that Brown Mogotsi has caused them by saying they are CIA agents. They've got the legal recourse against Brown Mogotsi. So Brown Mogotsi is in big trouble. He's in a big trouble because of his lies. We know that Brown Mogotsi is nothing but a swindler, but now he's in deep and he's likely to end in prison because of the things that he has said. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Debos Kosana. The name of the platform is Izwi Labansundu, the voice for Africans. Kamakuma Africa.